How to fix Instagram group chat not showing. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch your Instagram application, then get logged into your account. Make sure that you are really a member of that group chat. Tap onto the messenger icon here, and if you don't see the group chat here, there is also a possibility that you were kicked out of that group. That is why you are not being able to see the group name. If it's not the case, then you have to make sure you are using the latest version of your app. Head over to your Play Store, then type in Instagram. If you see update here, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. In here again, search for Instagram. Tap on storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your credential, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete your data. Once done, come back onto this app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Once you do all this, restart your device, open your app, get logged into your account, refresh it a couple times, and this shall work. So guys, that is all for today and thank you all for watching.